I am so excited. Box number 2 arrived today. I am so happy. So we're going to unbox it. So this is the Make It Last coconut custard with cocoa butter and plant peptides. You can already, what comes with the conditioner, let me show you guys the box. It's basically a 5-step according to the manual. You can already find these two, the shampoo and conditioner, in the store. CVS, Walmart, Target. Basically anywhere you can find Shea Moisture products. So the first step, of course, will be cleansing. So you will use the shampoo. It is a low lather cleanser, moisture rich, sulfate free shampoo. It gently cleanses and detangles hair while laying the foundation for a beautifully defined wash and go. So basically this preps your hair and get it aligned for the following steps that's coming up. So the next step is the conditioner. Hope you guys can see. It is designed. It was the creamy custard light wash and go conditioner. The ultra moisturizing formula softens and defrizzes hair while creating beautifully defined curls. So basically, as you condition it, it kind of preps you for the next step, which is the primer. This is the primer right here. This is pretty big. I like it because I feel like this is going to last me a while. So basically it primes the hair for a tangle-free defined curls by aligning strands, easy styling, designed to perform optimally with our wash and go defining gel. So basically, from what I get from this in the description that's on here, it kind of reminds me of the curl enhancing smoothie. I'm finna see the consistency. So yeah, it kind of reminds me of the curl enhancing smoothie, the coconut hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. So it feels like the same consistency. So yeah, and I use the curl enhancing smoothie for this to achieve my puff. So I'm gonna use this in a separate video, so stay tuned. The following step is the defining oil gel, which is this right here. So basically, it's the rich gel oil takes curls to the next level with definition and soft hold. So basically, this is the what is going to do the work by defining your curls and making them pop. It's the special frizz fighting formula, which wraps strands in a protective shield, keeps curls defined, smooth, and glossy. And it has oil in it, and I'm finna see the consistency. Oh, it has the top one here. So it's really liquidy. It's really smooth. It feels really oily. Not too oily, but it feels, it feels smooth. So I'm going to put this in my hair because we don't waste products. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. I have tried a curl defining product before, but I want to try this because I feel like I'm gonna like it. In the following step, the final step is the Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Revival Oil, which is this right here. It seals and moisture instantly revives wilting curls with this nutrient-rich oil spray. So, you know, as days go by and, you know, your curls start to like loses, you know, it's, I don't know, defined. Well, it starts to dry. So you can use this to make them pop again. This is the oil. And basically, with all these products, it's basically like a moisturize and seal. So it starts off with this, which is like a moisturizer. And then this, the gel, oil, and then this to seal it. And, you know, as days go by, you start, you know, sleeping on your hair and stuff. Just spray this, spray a little water, and make your curls pop again. So with this box, I received some clips, which is definitely going to be useful. And it has their logo on here. So yeah, stay tuned for the next, well, not, I don't know if it's next or whatever. Whatever I decide to put out, me and my sisters, whoever, I don't know. The following video using these products will be coming soon, so stay tuned.